Kiwi fruit benefits that make it more beautiful. Kiwi fruit is also known as Chinese gooseberry. Kiwi fruit looks amazing and tastes delicious, loaded with multivitamins, antioxidants, and minerals. The green juicy kiwi fruits include vitamin C, vitamin E, and K and are low in calories. This small fruit can provide all the needed benefits to your body, and you can try these in many ways, like eating just like that or making a smoothie of it. Kiwi fruit benefits. Many studies claim that kiwi fruit has medicinal properties to cure various health issues. Let's have a look at that. Good for cardiac health. Cardiovascular diseases, clotting, and sudden heart attack are the major issues that kill thousands of people every year. You would be surprised to know that eating kiwi fruit on a regular basis can reduce blood clotting by more than 18% in the body and provoke heart health. Many people take particular drugs or pills to remove clotting, but they may occur side effects like inflammation and discomfort to your body. Eating kiwi is a healthier way to keep your heart healthy and clot-free. Just eat a bowl of fresh kiwi slices regularly. Treats asthma. A high amount of vitamin C and E is very helpful for respiratory functioning and treats asthma as well. The studies also help the experts to understand the kiwi fruit benefits, and treating asthma and wheezing are proven results. Eat 1 kiwi regularly or consume thrice a week to availing the proper results. Give this fruit to your children to prevent any respiratory problems. Boost immunity. The powerful antioxidants and multi-nutrients and minerals help to boost immunity naturally, as we all know that a strong immune system is important to fight various bacteria and viruses. The studies find out that eating kiwi fruit regularly reduces oxidative stress and enhances adaptive functions of the immune system and works as a protective shield for the overall body. Digestive health. Kiwi fruit contains potassium and fiber that reduces constipation and lets things move smoothly. It also has a special enzyme called actinidin that provokes digestive enzymes and juices and aids of digestive health. Prevent cancer. The fiber and vitamin C with special components fight with free radicals and prevent cancerous cells in the body. The studies also informed that kiwi fruit decreased oxidative stress causes DNA damage and causes cancer. Kiwi fruit is a mixture of superb components, minerals and vitamins with antioxidants. Our body naturally reacts with these factors, and these all protect us from cancer. Improves vision. Kiwi fruit is rich in antioxidants, especially 2 powerful antioxidants called lutein and zeaxanthin that provide health and strength to our eye cells and tissues. Vitamin C and E are required for good vision and eye health. Only fewer fruits contain such antioxidants. Luckily, kiwi fruit is one of them. Especially older people get affected by macular degeneration that causes vision loss or poor vision. Stimulate liver health. A special condition called a non-alcoholic fatty liver disease or NAFLD increases the liver fat without taking alcohol. The kiwi fruit contains a special factor named pyrroloquinoline quinone that can treat NAFLD, and even many researchers announced the progressive report about this. As we know, the liver is the main organ of our body, and excess fatty liver can produce many dangerous situations regarding our health. All you need to eat 1 or 2 kiwis in a day, or just make a freshly blended smoothie and drink twice a day, and you will get superb results within a few weeks. Better skin. The best kiwi fruit benefits are the ability to keep skin hydrated. Loaded with different antioxidants, water, and vitamin C and E may provoke skin health and skin quality. Eating kiwi fruit on a regular basis can reduce acne and pimple, as well as dull skin tone and early aging signs like wrinkles, fine lines, and pigmentation. Promote good sleep. Does eating kiwi fruit help you sleep? Some studies done on kiwi fruit reported that eating kiwi fruit regularly can improve sleep quality and make you feel good.